Hi again. We're still working on the Chapter 1 capstone. In this video, we're going to do step 6. Okay, so step 6 asks us to enter a formula, in cell B17, enter a formula to calculate the amount budgeted for the hotel. The amount is based on the number of nights, the hotel rate, and the tax. So this one's going to be a pretty complicated one. Let's go ahead and get started. In your spreadsheet, go ahead and click on cell B17. The first part's pretty straightforward. We always start with the equal sign, and we're going to take the hotel rate times the number of nights. That's the easy part. The next part is that we have to take all of that times the hotel rate. So let's go ahead and add the asterisk so that we can then multiply this amount times the the tax rate. The tax rate is going to go in parentheses because if you remember from the chapter, when we're working with percentages like that, we don't want it to calculate 18%. That's just the amount of taxes. We want to say take that 18% and add it to the bill. So what we're going to do is we're going to say 1 plus the tax rate, and the tax rate lives in E7. Okay, so that's what your formula should look like altogether. E6 times E5 times 1 plus E7. Go ahead and press your Enter key and see what you get for an answer. And then it's actually more important than getting the correct answer is understanding why you got that correct answer. So if you need to, just redo it again and practice it a little bit till it starts to sink in. And as always, email me if you have any questions at all.